back, everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, think about sticking around. I'd love to have you. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. I know I've been a little MIA on Fridays, and I apologize for that. Work is starting to pick up again. Well, anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, consider sticking around. Today, I am using... I want to try this. I watch a YouTuber, and I'm sure you watch it too. I forget her name, last name Noella, I think. And she said she uses her Hollywood Flawless Filter under her Born This Way foundation. And I wanted to see if it'd give me that same glow. And it's the 24-hour undetectable wear. I really like this foundation. So, we're trying it out. This, by the way, is in the shade 3, light medium. I really could get away wearing this particular shade as a foundation. Well, we're glowy enough. She's Emily Noel. I feel so stupid. I watch her all the time. She says the glow comes through, and she says it does. It's because you're using a beauty blender and you're thinning out the product. And the glow does come through. She's right. You could probably do this with your e.l.f. That was pretty good. I like the finish. I'm gonna use my LYS concealer. That was pretty good. I don't know what I'm going to name this video yet. Anyway, I figured we'd use my Natasha Denona palette, which is the Biba palette. Haven't used this one on camera yet. I've had it for a little bit. I love this palette. It's all neutrals. My new brushes, which is What's Up Beauty. They're natural goat hair. And let me show them to you. They all look like this for your eyes. And I paid $129 for all of them. They're not bad. They're pretty good. I like the handles on them. Are they better than rougher? I would say they're just about the same. They're same type of hair. Rougher does have more shapes for the smaller hooded eyes. But yeah, I would say they're about the same. I'm going to use number R104, which is the crease brush. I'm going to go into this color right here called Tuss and just mainly put it in my crease up to my brow bone. I'm going to take the same brush, go into Freckle, which is right here, and put that in my crease. And you gotta go into Cocoa and deepen up my outer V. Outer V is dampened. Then I'm gonna go into Shine, which is, I don't know if it's a shimmer or a metallic. Let me see. It doesn't tell me on the back. I should have kept the box. And put that all over my lid. I really like this palette. I should use this palette more. Problem is I have way too much makeup. Lately, I've been feeling I just want to use the makeup kind of thing, you know? take a spoon. No fallout, which is good. Then I have, I need a bronzer. I'm going to use my Tarte bronzer with my Beauty Blender. For some reason, I like using the Beauty Blender to apply bronzer. Don't ask me why. It's kind of like, I like that sheer look it gives. Not bad. I have this Duo Glow in 02 Rayo. I got from Tasha Denona when she had one of her sales. And it looks like this. I'm going to use that for blush. Very beautiful color. Very pretty color. I like the look so far. It's basic. I like basic. I'm gonna put on Celeste from Buxom. Looks like this. It's a pretty sparkly. Very sparkly. Well, that's it. If you like my look, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video.